my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe for craft tutorials, DIYs, and hauls. And don't forget to press the notification bell to be notified of all my new videos. So today we're going to be making DIY cleaning wipes. So if you're interested in that, please keep watching. So the things that you're going to need are a half a cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water, some sort of knife or scissors, preferably a serrated knife, 1 teaspoon of Dawn liquid dish soap or whatever your dish soap is that you use. You're going to need like a coffee canister or some sort of little canister. I just have this little Gerber Crunchies, something similar to this. You're going to need a roll of paper towels, some sort of marker, and then a bowl, and then a spoon to mix everything with, which I forgot my spoon. Alright, so first I'm going to go ahead and mix the ingredients in the bowl. Oh, and you're also going to need, if you want, if you like to put some sort of essential oils in here to make it smell good, or I'm just going to try and use lemon juice and see if that works. So I'm going to go ahead. I got my 1 cup of water I'm going to put in here. I need a half a cup of vinegar, now 1 teaspoon of Dawn. Pour that in. And then I'm just going to put about whatever scent you want to use about 5 to 10 drops. I'm just going to put about 10 in there of the lemon juice. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. Alright, so I went ahead and I mixed up my mixture. And the Dawn mixed in a lot easier than I thought it was going to. I thought that was going to take a minute. So your paper towels are going to need, obviously, to fit in your little canister. So this is actually a roll of paper towels that has been used. It's probably about almost half empty, if that. And it happens to fit, if it's not loose, it happens to fit pretty much right in here. So you're going to be cutting off your paper towels right around, maybe a little bit below where this ends, because you want it to fit in here. Let's see, so I'm just going to make a little mark on here, and then when I cut it, I'm going to cut it a little bit lower, maybe like right around here. Okay, so we're going to be cutting our roll of paper towels off. Be cutting it at this line. I'm going to use the serrated knife, and I will be back. Okay, so I went ahead and I sawed off this section of my paper towels, and obviously with the serrated knife it can be a little unpretty on this side. So I have this, and it should fit right about in there. The next step is we're going to need to make a little mark on the top, because we need to cut a little X to be able to pull the paper towels through. So I'm not even sure how well this marker is going to show up on here, but let's try and do just a little X in the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, so again, you're going to take your knife or your scissors and cut this X open. Make sure it's big enough to be able to pull a piece of paper through, and I'll be back. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut my little X in the top. Go ahead and take that off, and we're going to put this in. I'm going to put this ugly, messy side down first. I don't want to see that. Squish it in there. And then we're going to pour our mixture over top. Try not to get the cardboard as much as you can, because you're going to be pulling it out anyway in just a minute. So to make sure you get the towels pretty saturated. And if you have too much mixture, you know, you don't have to use all of it. So I'm just going to leave it at that for now. I'll go ahead and pull the center out. I got some red marker on here. And you want to pull out up in the middle. And that's going to be your piece that you're going to feed through the little X. I got marker on my fingers. It's turning my towels red. So is that. There you go. There's your DIY cleaning wipes. Super cheap and easy. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out all my social media links below. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.